Hi guys. In today's video I am showing you how to make Western Union account secure. For making your Western Union account secure, you need to add a security question in your Western Union. The benefit of adding it is, maybe someone know about your email and password, and when he will try to log in your Western account, he need to write the answer of that security question. So it will be like a two-factor authentication. And how can you enable the security question feature? The process is a really simple and easy. As you can see, I am currently using US Western Union account, and here you will see a profile icon. Just next to log out option, tap on this profile icon, and here scroll down. And here you can see the option on the last security question. Tap on it. Here, choose a security question, tap on it. And just for example, I will select this. What is your best friend name? And here I will write answer. After writing the answer, tap on the option save. Now it has been added. And now if someone try to log in my account in new device, then after writing the email address and password, he must have to write answer of security question to log in and to get access in my Western Union account. So it was basic way by which you can make your account more secure in Western Union.